without me noticing.
Anything under
That's my one condition. I don't believe.
No.
I completely agree with you.
I think they recently
Pictures that people post for are bullshit.
Can't stop us. Look, the drink.
The feelings of my home in this South State are intertwined with all the justice and the madness of the past 3 years. Counting in voices, remembering what freedom means.
The feelings of my
How it
home
comes at a
in this
cost,
South State
like
are
thick
intertwined
air
with
or
all of the justice
homebrewed
and the madness
cider.
of the
We
past
are
4
barefoot,
years.
yellow
Counting
kitchen,
in voices,
mud,
the
and
feelings
rain.
of my
Freedom
home
would
in this
melt
South
and will
State
melt
are
our body down
intertwined
to
with all
its
of the
right
justice
thick
and the
air.
madness
Hands
of
up,
the
arms
past
open,
4 years.
lightning out,
Counting
yelling
in
off
voices,
bridges,
remembering what
the
freedom
smell of
would
dorm
rain
rooms,
that
and
how it
places
comes
that
at a
can make you
cost,
bark.
your body down to its homebrewed cider.
I
We
have
are
touched the
barefoot,
bricks of my
yellow
walls with
kitchen,
wetted
mud,
hands,
and rain that
found
would
and
melt and
yelling
will
off
melt your
bridges
body
were
right
built
down to
around
its
my
smells
body.
of dorm rooms and
Hands
places that
now
can
I
rip
am
open
in the act
and
of
lightning
tearing
out,
them all down
yelling
before
off
the
bridges.
hurricane weather comes.
I
The
have
smell
touched
of
the
dorm
bricks of
rooms
my
and
world
places that can
with
rip you
wetted
apart.
hands and found in their outlines. I have touched the bricks of my world with wetted hands and found in their outlines that they were built around my body. Tearing them all down. Now I am in the act of tearing them all down before the hurricane weather comes. How do you feel about your mother? Write something. But I never really have. I don't know what to say. Depends on what you want to hear. What's in the letter? What's in the envelope? It's a letter to my mom. What does it say? A lot of things. It says that I'm sorry. It says
says that I'm learning. And it's really fucking hard. It says that I forgive you, or at least I'm gonna try. Now it's just burned up in the wind. I think I like it better this way. I think this makes more sense.
What do you need?
Doesn't matter.
I have a shirt.
Really? Thanks.
You don't have to try. You don't even have to listen. We just have to be together. And it'll all happen. It will all happen.
Universe where like rock is actually a superpower and you have to save the world. Oh, she's documentary.
You've never seen space.
School of Rock. It took your place.
Are you guys recording yourself?
No, we are bad. That. Yeah, we'll go watch it later.
See ya.
Not because of me, it's because of all of the thoughtfulness you brought to every class session. And I cherish that so ferociously that I hate to lose this. But I love all the ways that if film is a house, right? Or if John David Rhodes shows us that every film teaches us in some capacity like how to live or how to be in a space, then these films always have this built into them, right? It's our projection. It's what we bring to it and what we keep and what we love and what we've lost and what we always have somewhere, if only on the screen together, right? We're out of time. And so as you're packing up, I'll just let this play. Okay.